Now there's latest information coming in the National Herald case. The Delhi Police's Economic Offences Wing has issued a notice to Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar and his brother D.K. Suresh, asking them to provide financial as well as transactional details. Remember that the Economic Offences Wing has stated that D.K. Shivkumar may have important documents related to the FIR filed against Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi in the National Herald case. Now, the notice was sent to the two brothers on the 29th of November, which ordered them to appear either before, the 19th of December or provide all the requested information. Meanwhile, investigators have sought complete details of his personal background, his association with the Congress, and the funds allegedly transferred to the young Indian. Well, on this, my colleague Anushka brings us more. Take a look.
Delhi Police Economic Offences Wing has now asked Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar and his brother D.K. Suresh to give each and every financial transaction that they had with Young India, which is the original owner of the National Herald now, because we have seen that the ED had earlier filed, a charge sheet against this and also had filed a complaint with the Delhi's Economic Offences Wing. Now we are seeing that the Economic Offences Wing has in fact sent a notice that it had sent on 29th of November and has also asked for them to provide all of the bifurcations and also any of the financial transaction detail that they had with the Young India company, and also if they were donating money, if there is any certificate whether or not of the donations, and how come were these donations in fact made there, and what was the terms under which these donations were made, are some crucial details that the Economic Offences Wing are right now asking out of D.K. Shivkumar and also his brother D.K. Suresh. We have also seen that 6 people have been named in this FIR. Mainly against Sonia Gandhi, Rahul Gandhi, also several other people, and 3 companies have also been accused in this case. And we are seeing that in a fresh development, the Economic Offences Wing has said that either they give all the financial details to the Economic Offences Wing, or they should be appearing in front of the Delhi's Economic Offences Wing with all the details till November 19th is the date that the Economic Offences Wing have in fact sent the Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister. And now we are seeing that as the case is in fact going ahead, we are seeing that more notices has in fact issued in the National Herald case, which is right now filed by the ED, and we're also seeing that EOW is right now also doing its own investigation parallelly in this case.